Asus ROG Strix Scar Edition GL703GE Gaming Laptop. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. Great bang for the buck. I went with the 1050T model since I mostly only play competitive games and was more interested in the high refresh monitor and 8th gen CPU. I was blown back by how powerful even my model is and how enjoyable it is to use. I'm getting 120 to 150 FPS in Doom on Ultra for reference. I used to own the Razer Blade 14 and this laptop is a breath of fresh air. The fans are powerful but don't get too loud. I haven't seen the GPU pass 80C even at full load, and the build feels premium even with the plastic bottom. I bought two of these and so far the users have had absolutely no complaints. They are using them to play online games and general usage. Doom is on one of them, no problems. The user's report display is decent for the price. I have 1050T on desktop and run Adobe programs. This card handles fine. So what do you get? Asus build quality and assets of Asus Mobo. Asus gaming expertise. Why I am praying they don't break down is that Asus support is beyond horrible. If you have issue, and eventually you will, they toss you from person to person like a pinball where you start your case from the beginning. I love almost everything about this computer. It runs drafting software no problem and does everything that I need. But I have three minor complaints. The trackpad isn't the greatest. But I use a mouse most of the time I am doing things other than online stuff. The End key requires you turning off the numlock. This is my biggest complaint because I create documents with numbers, so having to choose one or go back and forth is pretty annoying. No CD drive, so if I need to rip a CD to FLAC I have to do it on my desktop. But most people just use MP3, so this won't be an issue. 6-core renderings are awesome and fast. Fast 2666 RAM speed. Great colors. Awesome screen. Not the slimmest but still slim. Fan is loud but probably need to repass thermal. RGB keyboard is nice with customizations. PUBG, PO, LOL, Warframe, works great so far. Adobe is perfect. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.